What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is April 14th. Let's get right to the very first article. Forbes, you know it's reputable, you know it's legit. Will you be getting more stimulus check money? What's going to happen to a fourth stimulus check package? Basically, these proposals suggest yes, you will be getting more stimulus check money according to Forbes. That's the very first article. Then we have this article right here. As you see, fourth stimulus check live updates plus up payments in third check dates. How much can you claim? Who can claim these plus up payments? Basically, just to quickly summarize, if you didn't watch my last video, I highly recommend you go watch it. But to quickly summarize, Joe Biden 100% confirmed that there's going to be an additional 2 stimulus packages totaling around $4 trillion. Why is this important? Because the last 3 stimulus check packages have all been just below $2 trillion. Allegedly, what can this mean? That, a possible 2 more stimulus checks worth $1,400 to $1,200 could allegedly possibly be coming in the near future. And finally, last but not least, plus up stimulus checks. Who is eligible, guys? Basically, as you see this article right here and this last article right here, plus up stimulus check payments are confirmed. Joe Biden did say 100% there's going to be 2 more additional stimulus packages in his Build Back Better plan. And then finally, guys, the first article, Forbes, is very reputable, very legit. I want to take 2 seconds out this video. I want to let you know I post daily videos. I do daily giveaways. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment. Comment the word yellow, guys. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment the word yellow or just a yellow emoji. Enter the giveaway. Giving away over 1,250 free Amazon gift cards, over $23,000 in giveaways. Again, I just want to help as many people as possible. So please hit that like, be subscribed, comment the word yellow or yellow emoji. Let's get back to the very first article. As you see right here, coming from Forbes, breaking news. As you see right here, expanded child tax credit. What does this mean? An additional stimulus check. President Joe Biden's stimulus package would also provide a refundable expand of child tax credit that will provide millions of families up to $3,600 per child. Now, one more time, guys, let me quickly summarize. Expanded meaning more than last time. A second child tax credit that could actually give you $3,600 per child in financial support. Very good news. And finally, guys, as we see right here, student loan forgiveness. Student loan borrowers advocate for progressives have been putting mass amount of pressure on Joe Biden's presidential Biden to enact widespread student loan forgiveness up to $50,000. We're going to have more updates on that. And free college and increased financial aid. These are all things that Biden will be proposing. Allegedly, President Biden will be proposing a new economic stimulus package as soon as this month. One more time, who said this, guys? I said this literally weeks ago. A lot of people call me a liar. A lot of other YouTubers that actually made videos about me saying, I make things up. Well, look right here, guys. They actually said there's not going to be an additional, fourth stimulus check. Well, look right here, guys. President Biden will be proposing a new economic stimulus package as soon as this month, guys, the end of this month, allegedly. Then we have this article. Let's get more in detail right here, guys. Headline, fourth stimulus check. Where does Joe Biden stand? And finally, last but not least, these plus up stimulus check payments. What does this mean? Who qualifies? A little more detail has finally come out about that. If you watch my last video, basically all the information I had was plus up payments meant, additional stimulus checks. But finally, guys, as of today, April 14th, more articles, more news, and more sources are actually talking about it. And as we see right here, as the latest round of stimulus checks are being delivered to eligible taxpayers, 2 groups qualify for plus up payments. This is the breaking news, guys. This is literally just came out this morning. As the latest round of stimulus check payments are being delivered and most people are actually receiving their 3rd stimulus check, this is breaking news as of this morning. Right here, 2 groups qualify for plus up payments. What are plus up payments? Just extra stimulus checks. People who have filed their 2020 taxes and seen a significant drop in income in 2019 to 2020. People who added a new dependent such as a child to their household, guys. 1 million more plus up payments are going out this week. A lot of people said plus up is no such thing. There's not going to actually be more stimulus money. One more time, guys, in bold, 1 million more plus up payments are going out this week. So again, if you do qualify any of these scenarios, guys, it might be actually hitting your bank accounts. Not only that, guys, but keep in mind that most plus up payments will be delivered as paper checks. So check your mailboxes, check your actual house. Physical checks will be mailed out. All I want to do is I want to let you guys know every single thing I talk about on my channel, it's 100% legit. I have a source inside Congress, inside Senate. Everything I say have come true, guys. Many other YouTubers have lied about things that never came true. Many YouTubers called me fake, guys. They said I'm making things up. How come over 30 of my actual leaks, rumors have all come true? Meanwhile, other YouTubers just looking at a camera, not showing you sources, not showing you their articles, not showing you where they get their information from, straight up deliberately lying to you, manipulating you, looking at a camera and just saying BS, trying to get you to hit that like button. Meanwhile, guys, I only show you the latest and greatest 100% legitimate news, and the only thing I ask for you guys is please hit that like button, please enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway. Like I said, every single day I post daily videos, every single day, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment comment the word yellow or post a yellow emoji. And finally, guys, if you do want to support me, if you do want to support these daily giveaways, every single dollar of my last 3 stimulus checks has all went to actually buy more Amazon gift cards to give away and some charity. And I don't know how many of you guys remember, but during the month of December, Christmas, you know, I give away every single day 1 Amazon gift card. And for my members, I picked them and I gave away gifts, right? Christmas gifts. If you want to support me, please hit this white join button. It only costs 99 cents, less than $1 is all it takes. Make a difference. Go to charity. All the money does go to someone else in need. If you do want to support me, you hit this white join button. You get a diamond next to your name that changes colors, guys. You get members only exclusive emojis. You get members only community tab, which gives you access to exclusive pictures, videos, live stream, giveaways. Every single video I go live and chat, guys. These are members that are actually talking to me. Again, I don't have a lot of people on here, but it only costs 99 cents. All the money goes to a good cause. All the money does go to charity. Also, if some people prefer using Patreon, I do have a Patreon for $1, guys. Link will be in the description. Again, all this money actually goes to help other people in need. And finally, last but certainly not least, I do have my own clothing line brand. So if you do want to support me, I have many multiple shirts, guys, custom shirts, and the best part of all the money does go to charity. And all these shirts, guys, they're $19.99, very affordable, very good print quality. They're funny and they're 100% cotton, guys. As you see right here, every single shirt is 100% cotton, very good quality shirts, and they're funny shirts. Mitch sucks. I literally made a cartoon Mitch McConnell. $19.99 if you want to help other people in need. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment, guys. Enter the giveaway. Daily videos, daily giveaways. That's it for today, everyone. Have a great day. Peace.
You naughty, you teasing me, you naughty.
Aha!